Meet David, 55, a diligent saver on the cusp of retirement. For decades, he'd meticulously put aside money, now boasting a proud $100,000 in his savings account. He checked his balance regularly, feeling a deep sense of security and accomplishment, envisioning a comfortable retirement filled with travel and family time. He had followed all the traditional advice: save consistently, avoid debt, and let his money sit in a safe, liquid account. This was his nest egg, his hard-earned future. Then the reality began to bite. David went to the grocery store, noticing his usual basket of goods cost 15% more. Gas prices soared, eating into his weekly budget. His $100,000, which once felt substantial, now felt like $90,000 in purchasing power within a single year. "My money isn't buying what it used to," he exclaimed, a cold dread replacing his former confidence. The stability he cherished had turned into a silent, insidious financial betrayal, eroding his life's work without a single withdrawal. David's experience isn't just anecdotal, it's a stark manifestation of inflation, a phenomenon meticulously tracked by economic indicators. The Bureau of Labor Statistics, BLS, Consumer Price Index, CPI, consistently measures the average change over time in the prices paid by urban consumers for a market basket of consumer goods and services. Federal Reserve reports detail their inflation targets, typically around 2%, aimed at stable economic growth. However, when inflation significantly exceeds this, as it has in recent periods, the purchasing power of static savings accounts diminishes rapidly. SEC filings of major corporations often highlight rising input costs, which are then passed on to consumers, further fueling the inflationary spiral. Let's unpack the hard numbers. If David had $100,000 in a savings account earning a meager 0.5% interest and inflation was running at 5%, his real return was negative 4.5%. This means his $100,000 lost $4,500 in purchasing power in just 1 year. Over several years, this compounding effect is devastating. If 5% inflation persists for 5 years, his $100,000 would have the purchasing power of roughly $77,000, eroding over a fifth of his wealth, even though the nominal number remains $100,000. It's a silent tax on cash and low-yield savings. So how do you defend your wealth against this invisible threat? The objective countermove is to strategically invest your money to outpace inflation. Federal Reserve data indicates that over the long term, equities and real estate have historically provided returns that beat inflation. Consider diversified investments in stocks, particularly broad market index funds, and real estate where appropriate. High-yield savings accounts, while better than traditional ones, often still lag significant inflation. Explore Treasury inflation-protected securities, TIPS, for direct inflation hedging. True financial victory means actively managing your money, ensuring it works harder than inflation, and building long-term capital that preserves its value.